Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do this bomb makeup look using the Ilashflare beauty palette, and this palette is really pigmented. Y'all should try it out. So let's get right to it. So today I'll be using this unicorn essence. I don't know the name, I don't know how to pronounce it, so it will be in the description bar below. This is a primer and moisturizer together, and it make your skin feels and look beautiful. Y'all should try it. So my ANCO pencil, the good old ANCO pencil, guys. Make sure you get the ANCO pencil for the eyebrows or the lip. I'm now using the ANCO pencil to draw the eyebrows. Guys, always remember, try and get your eyebrows stenciled properly. That way you don't have much to do with the concealer. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer to do the cleanup, and this brush is from Ruby Kiss. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. It's very affordable. Boom. So now I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and we're gonna apply that all over the lid. We're using this because we're gonna add eyeshadow and we need that eyeshadow to pop. I'm now using the Real Technique setting brush to blend that concealer all over the lid. And you have to blend properly, guys. Always remember that. I keep saying that. So blend the concealer properly over the lid. Now we are taking the Ilashflare Beauty Favorites palette, and guys, this palette is super pigmented. We are going to use the purple, the pink, and the yellow from the palette. Those three colors. Now I'm using a blending brush and we're gonna add that purple color directly into our crease area. As you guys can see, I'm blending because blending is key. You gotta blend that I'm now using another blending brush. I think this brush is from Makeup Addiction. You guys have to blend. We're using the pink shadow from the palette now, and I'm placing that above our crease area. So it's more of a transition color, and we're gonna fuse both colors together. Each time you blend, you remove up the product. Don't worry, just go ahead with that same brush and add some more. I'm now taking my Inglot gel liner, and I think this is in the shade 68. We're gonna cut that crease using the same brush I used to do my eyebrows. When you're trying to cut your crease, guys, you have to look straight down or straight a little bit down. Then it doesn't have to be, don't close your eyes and don't completely look down. That way it will help you to cut your crease properly. I'm now taking the same purple shade with the same brush, and we're gonna fuse that into the outer crease area so it have that blended look. Now we're gonna add some pink and we're gonna fuse both colors together. And guys, you have to always go back and forth with the eyeshadow so it have that blended look. I'm now taking my pigment, and this is in Gold Digger and Fortune. I'm placing the Gold Digger directly into like my tear duct area, and then we are gonna add the Fortune shade. On this video, the Fortune pigment is not showing, but trust me guys, it have this purplish pinkish look. So I'll definitely post stuff like that on my Instagram so you guys can see the difference with the pigment. Now I'm taking the NYX liquid matte liner and I'm doing my wing. I have to stop my breath every time I'm drawing my wing. Seriously, I have to do that. So this liner, it's perfect. I think if you're a beginner, you can use it, you can try it. It works really well and it dries. Now I'm using another liner from NYX and this is a yellow. Just because we have the goldish yellowish pigment, I just add some and boom, we're complete with our eyes. I'm now taking the Maybelline SuperStay foundation and this is in the shade 334 Warm Sun. This foundation is affordable and it is perfect. Like, I really do love it. It matches my skin tone. I just love it. You guys can try it out. It's affordable. You can get it in Walmart or Walgreens, CVS, anything. I'm now taking a clean Real Technique, the Instapot brush, and I'm blending my foundation. I'm using a smaller foundation brush, and this will help to blend areas that the bigger brush can't go, like under my eyes and around my forehead. I'm now taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we're gonna highlight. I'm now adding it under my eyes, doing dots. I don't know why, but we're gonna blend it so it will look perfect under my chin, on my forehead, and we're gonna straighten that nose. My jawline. Wow. We are now gonna blend, and I'm using the same Real Technique setting brush to blend out the highlight. And guys, remember, do tap 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 tap. The video is moving fast, but I'm not rubbing. We are going to contour, and I did not show the product because I didn't remember, but we are using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze to do the contour, and we blend. Now guess what, we're gonna make that nose straight as a line when you're not drunk. Now I'm using the Derma Blend setting powder, and this is in the shade Cool Beige. I love this powder so much, and we're gonna set the concealer. Now this Ruby Kiss powder, it's really affordable and you guys can buy it. You guys must buy it. I recommend this powder so much, and I'm just using that to contour. Now this Maybelline blush, it have this pinkish shade, and this is what I'm using for blush. Well, this is what I always use for my blush. And if you guys know me, and if you guys been watching, you know that I love blush. I can't do my makeup without adding a little blush to my cheeks. Now I'm taking the Mario Badescu setting spray with rose water, and I'm gonna set everything, sis. Look at that. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. See, now I'm taking my glow highlighter, and we are using Showstopper and After Dark. I did started using the After Dark first, and then we go a little bit higher with Showstopper. These highlighters are to die for. Y'all need to go on my website, purchase your highlighter, because you gotta glow, sis. Y'all see that? I'm now taking this pencil from NYX. It's a highlight and contour pencil, but like I said before, I'm using it for my waterline. Then we're gonna proceed using the same shadow we use on top under our eyes. I know you guys see my eyes. Yes, I know y'all see that my eyes are looking pretty, and I'm wearing contact lens from TTDEYE. The name of the lens will be in the description bar below. You guys can check them out. I do have a coupon code with them. It is Crissy11, so you guys can get your contact lens from TTDEYE. I'm now taking my mascara, and this is a mascara from L'Oreal Paris, and we're just gonna place some mascara on our real lashes. Now we are using EYECON, sis. EYECON Luxury Mink lashes from my line, and boom, you see that? Fluffy 25mm lashes. We are now going to use a lipstick, and this is Perfection, and this lipstick is super bomb. I don't know, it have this nudish, pinkish, brownish type of look. I love it for this look. I'm now taking the ANCO pencil again, and we're gonna line our lips with that. I'm just adding some clear gloss. I'm just feeling glossy lips, so don't mind me. You see that? You see that beat? Look at that face beat. My eyes are popping. My face is popping. My face is blended. Like, everything is together. Yes, guys, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll keep these videos coming. We're gonna upload every week, so don't worry. And yes, I love this look because it's summer. This is what's popping. Colors is popping, so why not do some colors? Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, WatchCrissyWork. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, WatchCrissyWork, and don't forget to follow us, like us on Facebook, WatchCrissyWork. Thank y'all. Love y'all. Peace. I wish you go on so far. Don't she nice? Talk to me nice. Anyway, guys, can I get a wow? Wanna call the ambulance to me there?